Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to get complete control over automatic updates in all Windows platforms. Okay, first open the run command and type services.msc. Okay, click OK. Here we have to find the Windows Update service. Just find it. Okay, double click on it. Here you can see the startup type automatic, and here is the stop service button option. If you click this stop button, the service automatic Windows updates will be stopped for temporary only. If you want to permanently stop the updates, here you have to change the startup type. You have to select disabled option and click apply, click stop and apply. That's all. Now Windows updates will not start automatically, they are disabled forever. If you want to do it manually, you can do it on that also. Here there is another option, you can see it here, manual. You can select that and apply. You can start it like this. Okay, I will change it to the normal position. Okay. Now there is another method through which you can control, means you can skip the unnecessary updates and you can only install the updates which are important and which you want. Okay, I will show that. First we have to use run, and here type mmc. For always I am using the run command, so that here first click on the file, add remove snap-in. Now here you can see the group policy object. Okay, no, wait a minute. Group policy object, double click on it and click on the finish. Okay, group policy object has been created. Okay, and select it. Here go to computer configuration and then administrative templates. Here, and next we have to choose Windows components, and there we have to see the Windows update. Here you can find the configure automatic updates. Yes, click on it. Here you get the options. It is not configured yet. Okay, we have to enable it, and here configure automatic updates, type auto download. So we have to select notify for download and notify for install. Okay, click on apply, click on apply, click OK. Now to see the changes which are affected, you have to restart the computer, then you can find the changes. Okay, thank you for watching. Please click subscribe button and give your support.